Christ the King Sixth Forms has opened its brand new state-of-the-art engineering and manufacturing hub at its Emmanuel site in Blackheath.
Welcome everyone, and thank you very much for joining us this morning. We're really excited to be opening our manufacturing suite.
Christ the King has been in the borough for over 30 years, providing excellent education for sixth form students, and is the UK's leading Catholic sixth form provider of T-level qualifications. The country needs more skilled workers, particularly from STEM and engineering fields, and Christ the King is doing incredibly important work to provide social mobility through education for young people.
Delighted that Janet Daby, MP, is here.
It's a real pleasure of mine to be here, to be invited at this grand opening, and also for this to be taking place in my constituency as well. So thank you everybody for inviting me.
The new facilities are a product of Christ the King's close partnerships with a wide number of organisations from different industries and sectors who continue to support and advise Christ the King in ensuring they're meeting the standards needed for future engineers. Christ the King's partners, advisors and supporters include the local authority, Festo, ISG, Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust, the University of Greenwich, their governors, the Association of Colleges and the Sixth Form Colleges Association. Christ the King also has great relationships with local secondary schools, inspiring the next generation of sixth formers and offering unique progression events and experiences, as well as professional career advice. All of this has resulted in a new state-of-the-art suite for young people in the Blackheath area, providing the opportunity to really stretch their understanding of STEM subjects, in particular engineering and mechanical engineering. To find out more about our T-level engineering course, visit our website at ctkezmanuel.ac.uk. That's ctkezmanuel.ac.uk.